Hi everybody, Chad Davis here from St.Albert Dodge on St.Albert Trail. We have a 2018 Dodge Durango RT. It's got just under 100,000 kilometers on it. Winter tires currently on it right now, 20-inch wheels, all color match bumpers, no chrome on it. You have turn signal indicators, heated mirrors. You have a power tailgate in the back. It's got a V8 Hemi, 5.7 liter engine in it as well too. This one has mats. It has the third row folded down right now, but very nice, lots of room in there when you put that down. Come to the interior and I'm gonna show you guys some more. Hi everybody, Chad Davis here, welcome back. I'm just gonna show you the interior of this Dodge Durango RT. These things are really, really nice, man. Black leather, it has red stitching throughout. It has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, it has a Wi-Fi hotspot. You got heated seats, heated wheel. You also have, what was I gonna say? Pretty sure it has vented seats. I just don't want to lie. Yeah, it does have vented seats. So you have a sunroof in here as well too, and home link. So you can program up to 3 garage doors here. Yeah, so much stuff to go through on this, guys. Come down, check it out. My name is Chad Davis. Phone number is 780-278-2423. Give me a call. Have a good day.